Wir werden nach dem Grußwort einen sehr interessanten Keynote-Vortrag haben von Walter Lindner zum Thema der alte Westen und der neue Süden, was wir in Indien lernen sollten, bevor es so spät ist.
Herzlichen Dank für die Organisation dieses India Days, der in eine Zeit fällt, die, um es milde zu sagen, verrückt ist.
Having said that, it is a great place. We in India call this as the visionary capital of Germany because of Carl Zeiss. Everybody knows that this is a place where Carl Zeiss is there because we have a huge factory in India which also produces a large number of lenses. Then I would like to thank the president of the university, the minister, and also Ambassador Binder for being here with us at the India Day. I will try to give a small brief talk on what today's India is and also compare it with what we see in Germany.
Und war auch beeindruckt von der Reputation der Universität, was ich vorher auch nicht so wusste. Jetzt bin ich Jurist, aber wir kennen die TUs, aber ich habe schon gehört, dass es hier fantastische Studenten und Studentenzahlen gibt. Und von den 5000, glaube ich, die es hier gibt, sind, glaube ich, auch über 1000 ausländische Studenten.
Jetzt nicht zur Tagesordnung übergehen können und jetzt eine durchgestrittene Podiumsdiskussion zu Indien, China, Geopolitik machen sollten, sondern
promoting research and international scientific cooperation. He has held key roles, including Head of International Scientific Cooperation at the Indian Ministry of Science and Technology, and has been involved in several bilateral initiatives.
We are dealing with the patent issues for all the universities listed in Thuringia, and not only for universities but also for attendees.
The Indian business idol, so me and Sukhdeep, where are you? We have invited innovative ideas with some relationship between India and Germany, with of course focus to Thuringia.
What we present here is a music production app. So you might be wondering what is it? Let me explain. So I'll do most of the talking today. So anyway, throughout my life, before coming to Germany, I was working as a professional musician
लगे नहीं कहीं Good evening everyone and namaste. Thank you very much for joining us today in this wonderful occasion.
I'm Devika Sukhdeep and this is Ayush Mukherjee, and today we'll be your hosts for the cultural evening.
To give you a brief background of the bilateral relations between India and Germany in the last 2 years, we are at probably the highest point of bilateral relations. In September, I was chargé d'affaires in Berlin, and our External Affairs Minister was here. And from the Chancellor, he could meet all the ministers to discuss and elevate our bilateral relations.